Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with Director Carson. Before I get tell you for the next one, I edited all the video is no, it's not made for kids, which is I changed it is yes, it's made for everyone. I forgot to edit a video after I uploaded the video, so completed. No problem. I edited a video, now it's good to go. Also, on my channel and about, I updated the description. Something cool about me, I ever made videos. New one is details, so you'll support my channel. So thank you. For the next up, Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 25. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Into the wilderness. Sounds like a wild.
Hey, Ames, where are you headed?
I'm off to collect gum tree berries for my holiday wreaths.
Ooh, sounds delicious. Yummy.
No, they just look nice on your door. But pretty things attract government agents and possums, and you know how horrible they smell. The possums too. Yeah, I'll take that chance. So you want to get back from Hidden Meadows? Hidden Meadows, huh? How are you gonna get there?
Yeah, Amy, how you get there?
I'm gonna go through Hazard Jungle, past Peril River, over Danger Falls, through Pleasant Gardens, and around Jeopardy Lake.
Whoa, Amy, that'll take you a miles to go through the wilderness.
Survival skills first.
If anyone should teach Amy survival skills, it's me. After everything
You,
Amy
Sonic?
thrown at me, surviving in the wilderness is a piece of...
Whoa, Sonic, you okay in the well?
I'm okay. I'll just use my survival skills to fashion a ladder out of water.
Oh,
Pull me up.
Tails, get him out of there. Well, Sonic, you're wet, but dried.
Rescue. See? I can teach anyone.
How about Knuckles?
I don't know how about Knuckles, Sticks.
I bet that I can teach Amy survival skills better than you can teach Knuckles. Ow!
You okay, Knuckles? Oh, tried to crack the walnut.
And the losers have to do the winner's laundry for a month.
That's not a fair bet. Knuckles and I don't wear pants. But I'll do it.
You guys don't wear clothes, except Amy and Sticks.
That'll take a good 4 days and some serious survival skills.
Ta-da! Gumtree berries.
Wow, good job, Sonic. That was fast.
You and Knuckles versus Sticks and me. To win, both of you need to get there. Good luck with that.
Knuckles and Sonic will see about that.
I thought you loved nature. I do!
Of course you do, Knuckles.
Well, even so, this is gonna be a piece of...
Once again, fall in the well with Knuckles.
Okay, Team Sticks. The first thing you need to know is survival skills aren't about crafting and making things pretty. It's using what you got. First up, building fires.
Ding. Good, Sticks. Bad, Amy. But close.
Not time.
Ding. Good, Sticks.
Cinnamon sticks to mine. You can hang it in your closet to freshen your clothes. And if you lock yourself in, you can eat them until the fire department rescues you.
Bad, Amy. But almost close.
Finish up here. I'll rustle up some dinner.
Ding. Good, Sticks. Bad, Amy. You should not burn it. Ding. Good, Amy. You're good. Bad, Amy. You burnt again.
Stay tuned for Survival Skills Made Easy.
Why would anyone watch that?
Come on, Knuckles. You cannot change that channel. Well, there should be a remote.
More like it. You know, the test to get on that show is a lot harder than you think.
Shouldn't you guys be training?
Yes, I have to give in to nature.
Let the training begin. Should we be bringing food? There's plenty of food in the wild.
As referee for this race,
Sometimes.
clean competition. No cheating. Of course, you'll be deep in the woods, so I won't know if you cheat. Look, just don't cheat, okay? I mean, come on, you guys. My job is hard enough. Go!
Now let the race begin.
Where are you? I think I'm lost.
North is that way. That means it's exactly 2:37. We're right on schedule.
Good way, Amy Sticks, because you got the compass. Wow, Sonic and Knuckles, you look dirty.
This is exactly what we need.
Whoa! That was cool, Sonic. Just like from Spain. Probably in Madrid. Well, Sticks, you couldn't just set up the bear trap.
Dinner. There is no way we're eating that adorable little thing. He's too cute. I cooked us a nice woodland salad.
That's good, Amy. The goats yell. The sound on the moose. I mean.
I can't get the fire started. That's not how you start a fire. Let me show you.
Nothing happened, Sonic. Your shoe's on fire!
Whoa. Ow, ow, ow! Knock it off! Stop it! Ow, ow!
This is just getting sad.
Ow, ow, ow!
Listen, if you guys admit you lost the bet, we'll help you with the tent and fire and share our food with you.
No way! We may have had a few minor setbacks, but this isn't over till it's over. Tomorrow's another day.
Yeah, if you live to see it. Here's some food, guys.
Oh, thanks to Amy Sticks, who give Knuckles Sonic a carrot. But they should cut in half to share.
Look what they've got us doing. Where? Knuckles, we're going to have to use our brains. Good idea. And while I'm doing that, you think of something. I got it. We'll just follow them. Then, right before they reach the finish line, we'll run ahead and win. I don't know what we were so worried about 15 seconds ago. I don't even remember.
Good plan, Sonic.
Seconds ago. Look at those losers. Going to bed when there's a whole night ahead of us. Let's go blindfold ourselves and run into the forest to see if we can find our way back. Yeah, hooray!
Go ahead, Sonic, Knuckles. You could do it. What the heck?
Knuckles, get up! They didn't wake us up so we could follow them. Ah, that's cheating. It's okay. We just have to figure out which way they went. I'll zip back home and grab a compass. Let me try. Help! Phew. I thought we were lost. We are lost. Help!
It's like watching lab rats in a maze. Lab rats aren't that clueless. We better help them.
Ow! Stepped on my head. Get off me.
You think?
Walking during your survival skill.
Which way did the girls go? Not to worry, I'll use my tracking skills. They must have gone that way. But what if an animal picked up the boomerang and left it there? We're going that way.
Good luck with that.
Look, a compass!
Knuckles, why did you do that?
Nobody tells Knuckles which way is north.
Oh. That'll make Amy Sticks to lost their directions.
Even for them, this'll be a piece of... Hey, that was freaky. Where are we? I bet it's an abandoned missile silo.
I figure an underground missile silo.
What makes you think it's a missile silo? The missile... Eggman Missile Industries, a subsidiary of Eggman Fun Toys.
Holy shoot, Amy Sticks. That's a big ass missile silo.
Oh, we will. After after we get to the finish line using our superior survival skills. Don't go anywhere.
Okay, here's what we do.
Sonic and Knuckles will go fast before Amy 6 gets out.
How do you know all this? If I had a newspaper for every time I fell into a missile silo, we could stack them and climb out of here. But they're all stacked in my burrow, so we'll have to stick to the original plan. Ah, set. Okay, now what? Hardcore.
I didn't even know Sticks could do that, but none of humans will.
Come on! Heck!
Almost there.
Knuckles, Sonic, what was that? You gotta be sucking Kami. What?
No fair.
Sonic's right. You, Amy, and Sticks have no chill. Throw a chill to Knuckles, Sonic for nothing, Amy Sticks.
Sure. Hey, what do you think happened to that missile? I stamped it, return to sender.
Dr. Amy's lair?
I know that sound.
Don't worry, Dr. Amos is fine. I'm sure it hits in the ocean. It missed to hit Dr. Amos' lair. So, Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 25, Into the Wilderness, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I make some more videos. Before I got to go, you better learn your survival skill if you'll better survive in the jungle, or forest, or in the desert. There's 3 things that you chose it to learn your survival skills. So, goodbye.